You were like, Jesus, that's a sin? Holy fuck, that's a sin. Yeah, it is. Please welcome to the stage our final contestant for Miss Pride Niagara. Give it up for Diamond Hymen.
Oh my god, I vote for her. Right away.
Effect pesticides might have on wildlife and the environment. The book claimed the chemical DDT would eventually cause a world where no birds sing and where natural waterways would become rivers of death.
Hard, clear plastic called polycarbonate is produced at over 7 billion pounds a year. It's being thrown away into the environment.
Deforestation fundamentally cutting down trees and leaving plants open.
What is turning the oceans to acid is carbon dioxide from cars and factories.
The predictions of an Arctic that is ice-free.
Caused by too much phosphorus in the water.
The BP oil spill is an unprecedented national disaster.
Holy, I'm having a hard time. I think I'm weak and savage. And I've been strange places, I guess it must be so. But still I cannot see if the savage one is me. How can you be so much that you don't know?
Why is it so long? We should just know for Christmas and then stop
I hate the wind. It messes up my hair. I spent like an hour this morning getting my hair ready and now it's ruined.
Oh my god, I hate insects. Why can't they all just die?
Mother Nature is so bipolar. I know what you mean. Canada is the only place where you can have like every season in 1 week. Like make up your mind with nature.
Fuck. It's raining.
This is fucking unacceptable. I did not sign up for this. I did not say, Lord, please bring the devil from hell and have him sit his ass crack on earth.
You're bitching about me? Really? You think you can dance around my earth, shitting as you go, killing my beauty, eradicating my wonders, and you dare complain? You know I could make it rain men if I really wanted to. Damn, tennis control over the ground. You want me to show you the same level of respect you show me? You'd all be dead. I'd be giving you fertilized mine. Bitch, sit your ass down and shut the hell up, bitch.
For Diamond Hymen! See what she